Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a vinegar citrus peel cleaner. It's kind of a mouthful to say, but I really like making this for my house because it's natural and it's inexpensive and it doesn't have any of the crappy ingredients that you find in a lot of cleaning supply at the store. So all you need are some citrus peels. I'm using lemon and oranges, but any citrus fruit would work. And then vinegar and your mason jar. Very simple. I'm just going to fill up my mason jar with my peels. Have this filled up, I'm going to take my vinegar and I'm just going to fill it till it covers the peels. And that is about it. That's all it takes to make this. Now you're going to let this sit for about a week. Let the citrus peels infuse with your vinegar, and then you can strain off the peels. But I really like using this. This is a really good alternative. It's cheap. It's a way to minimize food waste, and yeah, just using what you have on hand. Plus, I like it. I use vinegar a lot to clean around my house. So this way it doesn't smell like straight vinegar. I know some people don't like that. I've never really minded because once it's like dispersed, you don't smell it, but you still have, like, your house is still clean. But this is a fun way just to make your house smell all citrusy and nice. So I will let this sit for a week, and then when it's ready to strain off, I will take you along with me. Hey guys, so it has been about a week since I've made this. So this has just been sitting and infusing and all of that. So now I'm gonna strain it off, and it's really not much to it. I'm gonna use a strainer and my fancy high-tech bowl. You could, if you don't have a strainer like this, if you have like a colander, you could use that. You could even use, like, if you're really desperate, just use a coffee filter and put it over like another mason jar or a bowl and rubber band it so it stays in place, or tape it, just so it's not sliding all over. Because if you've ever sifted or strained something without having it like secure, it's a real pain in the neck. So that's what I would do if you don't have one of these. But I'll leave a link in my description notes if you guys are curious about what strainers I'm using. It's nothing fancy. I just got them off Amazon, and I think they were like, I think it was like 15-20 bucks for, there was 3, so there was like a small, medium, and large, and I've used them a lot, so I thought it was worth it. Like, none of them came out. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't, so that made my life easy. But now I have the liquid, and what I will do is I'm probably just gonna store it in like a small mason jar right now, just because I'm not quite out of my cleaner. But I just use a glass multi-purpose cleaner bottle. I think I got this as like a free gift from Grove or Thrive, I don't remember. So I just use this as my multi-purpose cleaner and refill it when I'm out. But yeah, that's all there is to it. It's not hard, it's very simple, and I promise you, you can't mess it up. And it smells amazing. So you get benefits of cleaning with vinegar, but you don't necessarily get that vinegary smell, even though it's, I don't know. I feel like it's not that bad, but a lot of people don't like it. So yeah, I hope that was helpful for you guys. And if you have any questions, just leave some in the comments and I would love to help you out. But yeah, if you liked this video, like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time.